Boys and girls, Alex back again with two more additions to the genre of the fifth pig puzzle. These are not pigs, actually, they're quite cute. One's a fox and the other's a dinosaurs. Now if you bothered to Google 5 pigs from my previous video, you probably know what these are about. If you haven't, well, here we are. Let's move that one aside. Let's pop the corners. Oh, dodgy left hand still. Put that aside. And here we go. Some of you may recognise it. Some of you may not. Well, the older ones might. The younger ones might not. Pardon me. It's our little friend. Oh shit, there we go again. Wrong zoom. Old Benito Mussolini. There you have it. That's that one. Now, as you could see, or maybe you didn't see, they were, well, where is it? They were foxes. Actually quite cute. However, the initial jigsaw on this one is quite difficult because the foxes are very similar. Next one, dinosaurs. Now again, that looks like quite simple. However, you'll find with a lot of the others, you get to pick which is the outside piece, which are the corner pieces, which actually make up the head. However, with this one, there's quite a few little rounder pieces, which makes it a little bit more difficult of a puzzle. Now this one is probably not as obvious as the other. Well, when I say obvious, the solution is not necessarily as obvious. However, it's still nearly as clever. I know whether that's starting to look like someone you used to know, but it's a little warmonger of mass destruction, old Saddam Hussein. Okay, boys and girls, that's it. Again, the plans will be up on the link. There will be a link there. As I said, unfortunately, this is one of those projects where you will need a laser or a CNC, preferably a laser for the engraving part of it. But anyway, catch you later and keep safe.